this, but take a look at that picture underneath. They did a nice job, so no issue. Any question? 605-695-7391.